Ew. Yeah, I need to get this sorted. Oi. Hello. Okay, grumpy arse. Jackson, what have I got for you? There you go, bub. You'll come to me for it, so I have to come to him. Yeah. You lazy little shit. Oh, sausage. He knocked it away and he couldn't even be asked to go towards it. Jackson, are you actually going to do something to get your food, or are you going to make me just give it you? What's that? What? Oh, no, straight down. Mint. Jackson? No. You can't just go straight down, it don't work like that. Sit. Paw. No. My dog's malfunctioning. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll. He's not gonna roll. Oh my god, Jackson. You great mouth. Right, come here then. Up. There you go. Alright, so today I'm playing football. A few days ago I did a stream and people were like, you need to vlog more because they like them. I never really know what to record. I'll play football today. Yeah, we're doing that again. My dad's picking me up at like 12, I think, and taking me to the field. So I've got to get ready and do a few things before I go. One being tidy up this mess of a bedroom because it's an absolute pigsty and it's not ideal. I need to get in the shower because what is that? And let's just see what happens because I've got no idea what I'm doing. Oh dear. Yeah. Little shit. I'm sorry, I just really don't like my hair. It needs sorting. Also, this isn't my room. Like, people think that this is my room because I do all my streams in here. It's just my mum's room because my Wi-Fi is that bad, it doesn't reach my room. So, people complain that it lags if I do it in my room. So, we do it in here instead, where the Wi-Fi actually reaches it. Why does England have to be so freaking miserable? Oh, I'm not looking forward to this.
Chooky beat.
Right, I'm about to get in the shower, so I'm going to end the video now. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, or leave a comment, because why not? Any video suggestions you've got, leave them in the comments. Like, if there's anything you want me to react to, I'll try and do it, and I'll see you guys later.